Welcome to Vertiv Next Connect. In this video, we'll walk through how to generate a device report, perfect for capturing metadata like serial numbers, firmware versions, and other key device details. To get started, click on the Reports icon in the left-hand menu. Connect supports ad hoc device reporting. That means reports are created manually and cannot be scheduled. These reports are limited to device metadata that rarely changes, like firmware version, model, or installation date. Now select your report scope. You can choose to view data from all customers you have access to, or narrow it down to a specific customer. By default, all visible devices are included in the report. Moving on, if you want to customize the fields in your report, click the gear icon to open the field selector. From here, you can include or exclude specific fields. Just remember that not all devices may have values for every field, especially manually entered ones. Now click Save to apply your selection, or Cancel to keep the default fields. On the right side of the screen, you'll find options to sort and filter your data, and you can apply up to 3 levels of sorting on any available field. Narrow things down by clicking Add Filter as many times as you need. You can filter by device type, manufacturer, model, warranty expiration, battery EOL date, installation date, or support provider. If you change your mind, hit the trash icon to remove it. When you're ready, you can now generate the report. The file will download as a CSV, which you can open in Excel or your preferred report processor for further analysis. That's it. You successfully created a device report in Connect. Stay tuned for more reporting features in future releases. For questions, contact support or visit the Help menu in Connect.